Changi Airport.
This train service ends here. All passengers, please alight. Thank you for traveling with SMRT.
Changi Airport. Please mind the platform gap. Dear passengers, due to obstruction at our train doors, this train service will be slightly delayed. 各位乘客，由于这个造成 Doors are closing.